Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, alloy wheels, power lift gate, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find heated front seats, security system, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, power steering, sports steering wheel, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Come see the car for yourself.